Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about low-cost airline business model and its features. Here you can see my outline. Firstly, I will give general information about low-cost, then I will give some information, more detailed information about low-cost and 5 features of it, and then I'm going to compare with the full service carrier, and then I'm give one specific feature and in a detailed way. Let's start with general information about low-cost. A low-cost carrier or low-cost airline is an airline without most of the traditional services provided in the fares, resulting in lower fares and fewer comforts. And 5 features about low-cost carrier. Firstly, standard fleet. Low-cost airlines have standard fleets. For example, they mostly have Boeing 737 and Airbus 320 series. Thanks to this situation, they can create flexible operation, and this is the most beneficial way to make a profit. And they use generally second airport, and they pay less price for the airport rent because they are using the second airport. And cheap tickets. I think this feature the most important thing for low-cost airlines, because many people choose the low-cost airlines for cheap tickets, and these airlines can survive through to this feature. Low range and high destination. As I said, that low-cost carrier airlines have standard fleets, and they use secondary airport. Thanks to this feature, they always carrying people to low range in every time. This feature important because people who use low-cost airlines have daily job, and they can finish their duties in one day. And another feature of it, web check-in. Many low-cost airlines use web check-in because when they use this system, they don't have to pay employee salary, and this is one of the way to saving money for low-cost airlines. Let me compare with another business model, full service carrier. The most important feature is ticket prices. Full cost service want more money for tickets, not only ticket prices but also catering prices and etc. In full service airlines, they have no payment for food, but in low-cost airlines, low-cost plane, there is no food for free. Secondly, people can fly whatever they want with full service, but in low cost this is limited because they only fly between short distance. And lastly, fleets features. In low cost airline, there is just 2 or 3 different type aircraft, but in full service there are many type aircraft for transporting. And finally, one specific feature about low cost carrier. This feature is standard fleet. It's very important for low-cost carrier airlines because of spending money. If there is a standard fleet, airlines don't have to spend money for pilot training. As you know, pilot training is very expensive, and low-cost spend less money for this. Not only training but also maintenance is very effective for maintenance. Airlines spend more money. And here is my outline. Thanks for